Okay, so that's pretty much everything on sound, except I did write a song about sound and waves and everything for you. That's pretty much in tune. Waves have a frequency like an emergency. They vibrate up and down, making colors like red and brown. Waves make my heart sing. When I teach, I like to think of it like cooking a potato, really. You know, you start with this hard potato that you can't really do anything with, but you cook it, and suddenly you can mash it and add some butter and, I don't know, make something out of it, really. I mean, that's my goal as a teacher, is to make something out of it. And then if you put it in a deep fat fryer, you get French fries. You look up in the sky and you see it's blue. Do you know why it's blue? It's because it reflects the ocean.
Yeah,
the oceans, most of the earth is covered by oceans, and the oceans have a lot of waves in them. And that blue color is reflected in the sky once again, that travels to the sky in waves, and it comes back down and it waves at us with that blue color.
Well, I'm not really supposed to be in this class, so I just kind of sit there. That's about it.
You learning all this?
Yeah, I'm picking up.
Well, do you remember my potato analogy? Kirk is the ultimate potato. Kind of scabby, but if you put him in the light, growth might appear on part of it. But yet you know there's some type of a starchy potential in there somewhere, so you can just get to it.
Mr. Gabrielson's teaching is kind of the lack thereof. I would compare it to when a mama bird has her little small birds jump out of the nest, and either they fall and they die, or they find out how to fly before they hit the ground and they glide down safely.
Light waves and sound waves basically travel at the same speed. For instance, raise your hand in the back of the room, raise your hand when you hear me clap. Okay? Now, raise your hand when you see me clap. See? Basically the same speed. So, V equals F lambda. Let me write that down. V equals F lambda. This is the symbol for lambda. I'm not exactly sure. It's basically just an upside down Y, which is the first letter of the word U, which can also be spelled EWE, which is a lamb, which is why then we call this lambda. And lambs make the sound ba, which travels in waves so we can hear them and see them with our eyes. And if the sheep is walking by you, it will get louder because of the Doppler effect.
I wouldn't really describe physics class as a class. It's more of something to fill up sixth period, as opposed to like a study hall. It's like a study hall, but with a little bit more comedy added to it.
Let me tell you what they are. Radio waves, microwaves, and infrared radiation, invisible light, ultraviolet, X-ray.